excellent news. I was just told one of the rockets got scrubbed, but not all of them. So hopefully we're gonna be able to see some of that. I'm not doing a good job of this. Still haven't exactly mastered those clearly with the code 0, but all is good. Tequila. Tequila. No, I love tequila. Tequila never did anything bad to anybody. 4, 3, 2, 1. I am thoroughly excited. Hear the rumble of it just coming over now in the shockwave. It is literally shaking the boat. That was amazing. All right. Good morning. We are in beautiful Cape Canaveral. Met some wicked people last night on the adjacent dock. Like I said, I didn't want to go sticking the camera in their face, so I decided not to bring it. But what we're gonna try to do, see if I can convince this Marina to let me stay, so I don't have to hightail it down to Port Pierce. That was it. One of my neighbors that we met yesterday, aluminum hull boat. It's all extrusion, which like snaps in together, I guess. Never saw one of those before. But yeah, we're gonna try to convince them to let us stay, hopefully to the 25th, because I'm not gonna have time to come back up here otherwise. I doubt it. I'm pretty sure they said we couldn't, but we'll see. So buddy's boat we were hanging out on last night. Good story. Bought it down in said he bought it down in Bahamas after a storm. Had a hole in the side, patched it up, then drove it back just with a patch on it. Brought it here to Cape Marina and did a bunch of fiberglass work on it. Boat looks like new, nice 2018 Medito, I think. Hopefully we'll see him when we get down to Bahamas. Ho, ho, ho. All right. Success. Good morning. Yeah, so they're gonna let us stay here in Cape Marina. It's awesome because I really didn't want to just, like, I was gonna have to motor all the way down there, which, I mean, we would have had sails up, but it's not as fun. Today we can actually go out, sail, and be a little more relaxed. Need the wash. Okay. I can rush, make some breakfast, some coffee. I ordered coffee because I thought I was gonna have to leave in a rush. And I ordered it to Daytona Beach, where I no longer am. So, no coffee, time to make some. Remnants of a good night last night. Tequila. Tequila. No, I love tequila. Tequila never did anything bad to anybody. Okay, so let's get the gas on. If you watch my previous videos, you know I'm super paranoid about propane. So I always shut the tanks off manually down on below deck every single time I use them. And I'm gonna climb under there and do that and change these pants because I don't want to put them up and they're nice. Ooh, forgot to put that bumper down. Oh well. Let's see if we got some gas. Really need to clean that. Yeah, I always fully purge the lines, so it takes a little while to get it started the first time after a while. Yeah, I just don't like leaving gas in anything, so you gotta get the air out of it. Sometimes it doesn't start right away, but we have fire. I saw the behemoth must have come in last night, didn't even see it or hear it. Same with the one way down there, and that wasn't the same one that was here yesterday.
on your screen is a live view of Falcon 9 awaiting its 5:27 p.m. Eastern Time launch from Launch Complex 39A at Kennedy Space Center in Florida.
All right, so excellent news. I was just told one of the rockets got scrubbed, but not all of them. So hopefully we're going to be able to see some of that. Right now we're going to get ready to make way, take off. First, wind push it off, and then I don't have to worry about my stern hitting the dock whatsoever, which is really nice. The brightness on everything set off. Make sure all my lines are out of the water.
Marina 66 request broadcast for a disabled 26-foot center console, 18 miles southeast of St. Augustine. Listen to channel 22 Alpha, 157 decimal megahertz out.
Well, unfortunately we can't help him. St. Augustine is about a 2-day sail away from here. So unfortunately we won't be doing that. We will, however, be going to sail in, so I'm going to get out enough away from the shallow waters here, just in case anything goes wrong. There's no chance that I get beached and I got time to deal with that problem. No, that's gonna happen. But leaving, little lesson. Green's on the right, red is on the left in terms of buoys. The actual reason, I don't know, but the way to remember it is red, right returning. So if you are coming back to port, you're returning to port, red will be on the right. Red, right, returning. The red is always on the left side of this boat, also known as the port. The way I remember it is like red, port, wine. Port has 4 letters, left has 4 letters, so it's on the left side of the boat. Starboard, can't help you there. I used to know the actual reason why they named it starboard. It was something to do with the side that the helm used to be on. I'll remember later on. Posted another video. Conditions are beautiful. Hopefully this time we can hoist our main without any issues. So I don't want to put it too close to when we're supposed to be in. So now we got to do something called a jibe, where because in order to get that sail to go through the gap, oh, radio, be quiet. Yeah. So we've got to thread that front sail, the code 0. That was a little bit too much. I'm not doing a good job of this, for the record. It's supposed to be smooth like this. Anyway, I was wondering. There we go. And that. Still haven't exactly mastered those clearly with the Code Zero, but all is good. Looks like we got a bit of traffic though of cruise ships that are leaving the channel. So we will go chill for a bit. There's another cruise ship coming in. I got a feeling they're all trying to beat that 3:22 cutoff time. We still got 2 hours for that. But I just didn't want to get too far away, nor did I want to be going directly upwind the entire time. I think I might go chill on the bow for a little bit. I got nothing in the way here on the AIS, other than I think that's a dredging barge over there. He's at anchor. Spare assignments to local vessels. Not sure what that means, but doesn't look like he's moving. Nothing else really in our way. Like I said, it looks like, yeah, nice. Well, this is where we were docked here, and that cruise ship was going to block our view of the shuttle going out, and that looks like him right there. Oh no, that's a cargo ship. Well, regardless, the cruise ship's not there blocking our view anymore. That's the important part. There is another one way off in the distance there, but for now we can go chill, enjoy a little bit of the sun. Won't go too far because I mean we're gonna catch a lot more speed. Shit, and I just remembered that I've got a Zoom call that I'm supposed to be on. These are definitely first world problems. But anyways, I guess we'll get ready for this Zoom call. Yeah, we've been getting 6 knots so far. Starting to head back towards the port, just because again I really don't want to cut it too close. I don't want to deal with Coast Guard coming up to my boat or whatever they do. I realize I'm sitting waiting on this Zoom call or Google Hangouts. Who is this Google Hangouts really? I don't know. So we are heading back in. We got to avoid that barge that's over there. This wind keeps pushing me that way a little bit, but I keep on being out of the sun, which sucks. But as we're going up north, it won't, so that's good. Trying to do this whole trip docking myself.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, no. I'll just do the ooh and ah for you. You got her, boss. You got her. Faith in Sean's welding than I do. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. All right, coming in hot. About 1 foot, 1.5 foot, 1 foot. Right there, boss. I got you from here. Well done, sir.
All right, guys. So we are back at the dock. Second time docking single-handed, so that felt good. Sunset's going to be around the same time, I think just a little bit before 5:30, and then the rocket is going to go up about, I think, like 10 minutes after that. So we'll be able to see this rocket launch at dusk and the booster come back. I'm super excited. So got somebody else on the dock with us now, another catamaran there in the front. It's actually kind of nice because I like having my stern facing away from everything. I am thoroughly excited. So you hear that really annoying beeping? Yeah. This is super cool though. The GPS hooks into, I guess, the Coast Guard, and it tells me that I'm in a zone that I can't be sailing. And I'm obviously docked, so I'm fine, but that's because of the rocket launches, and they don't want people going off with their boats. So you know as soon as you start up with the GPS. Kind of cool. About to see this just stunning sunset.
Falcon 9 is in startup. The Falcon flight computers have taken over the countdown.
All right, guys, so we are about to catch the SpaceX launch here in Cape Canaveral.
LD, go for launch.
38 seconds.
Minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Liftoff.
I hear people cheering over there. Oh, you can hear it launch, and it's somewhere over. Oh, there you go. Hear the rumble of it just coming over now and the shockwave. It is literally shaking the boat. See the separation. Look at that. Look at that. You can see the two stages separating now, and you can actually, the booster is going to fly it back. You can see it making little burns to adjust as it's coming down for re-entry. It's just a speck in the sky right now, but there's the actual, the main unit way over there. You can see it. I couldn't imagine a better way to end this trip to Cape Canaveral. It's nice, but I mean, it's not my place to go to right away. People are really nice though. Not a cruise ship guy, like I said earlier, but this is so cool. We can actually, you can see a little bit better here. The main stage is going off, and the other one just slightly pulsing in the side, which is what we were seeing. Well, now you can really see it starting to do some burns. Oh yeah, look at that.
Thing, they come down fast, man.
That is crazy.
It looks like
you said you'll hear
it's gonna hit, but man, it lights up right at the end.
You'll hear a sonic boom, you said?
Oh yeah, it's gonna be loud.
I couldn't believe how loud the rumble was off of the boat. Look at that. Look at that. Look how fast it comes down. That is nuts.
Stage 1 landing leg deploy.
Holy shit!
Yeah, baby.
My neighbor Dan, who we met yesterday. Wow, that is crazy. What a way to end the All right, so that was a first for me. That was amazing. Yeah, come to Cape Canaveral when there's going to be a launch. Apparently, sometimes they do several a day. Yeah, that was awesome. All right, time for me to eat, get packed, and head to the airport.